Namaste. Good morning to all. I am Devika Rajan of grade 9 from Vyasa Vidyanikethan Central School, Chalakudy. Today, I am here to present and speech on the topic present system of education. Education is the most powerful weapon which is used to change the world. The famous quote given by Nelson Mandela. It was true because without education, no one can exist in the world, and it is key to success. But present system of education had lost the dynamic character, and the education given in our schools and colleges are isolated from life. The curriculum formulated or presented through the teaching does not give the students insight into the everyday world they were living. Education must make its contribution to healthy habits, attitudes, and good character. Then only a student became a disciplined or responsible citizen of a country. But this development will not come until we give a suitable atmosphere in their academic career. Through the spectacles of book, the student can see the panorama of the vast world. But through their naked eyes, they can see the things which are going to face in their life. So, there is a wide gap between theory and practical. Personality to a man, which perfume to a flower. That means, without personality, no one have value in the society. Education must aim to all-round development of personality of a student. But education imparted in our schools and colleges fails to train and develop the personality of the students. And our colleges and schools are overcrowded, but there is lack of teachers. The necessary level of examination also adversely affects our present education system. Examination today became a gamble or a fate memory to the students. So, such situation want to change. Don't depend upon the books. We want to enter into the world and learn from the world. Then we can make a peaceful system of education. By saying this, I am concluding my topic and thank you and have a nice day.